If you are an online business owner that already has leads and customers coming to you, then it's time to run Instacash campaign to turn your personal brand and your Instagram account into a literal ATM cash machine that produces on average anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 a month. Hello, my name is Josue, Pena, founder of Online CEOs, a growth agency that specializes in using your Instagram account and your personal brand to help grow your business by getting more high-ticket clients and increasing the output and the profitability inside of your business by $30,000 to $50,000 per month on average. And we have become so crazy good at this that we guarantee literally 4 key results. Number 1, we'll create the full-on optimization of your high-ticket offer that gets you the right clients, the ones that actually have the money and that you actually want to work with, to raise their hand and apply to work with you, all by coming to you inbound on Instagram. So our agency hires the best copywriters in the planet to do this for you, because literally without a good offer, you don't have a business. Period. We'll literally create the VSL webinar for you. We'll create and write the full copy for all your ads. We'll create all your ads on top of that. We'll write and create all the content for you. And on top of that, we'll create all the automations and the tech and the funnels that you need in your business in order to scale. And all of this is white glove, custom designed specifically for your business and your needs. Number 2, we'll set up an ultra simple launch funnel that educates your leads on your business and warms them up so it's easy to close over the phone. And this lets us systematize everything to where your business can literally run near on autopilot. Third, we'll run these Instacash campaigns for you to quickly build your audience to 10, 20, 30,000 people in just a few days. And finally, we'll show you the step-by-step on how to monetize this audience with an 8-figure attraction post and messaging script. I know this process works insanely well because we have done over $51 million in sales for ourselves and our clients. And this is the reason why we can literally say that this thing alone can literally double or even triple the profits that you're making in your business right now. And those 4 things we 100% guarantee. So for instance, if we decide to take you on as a client and we haven't made you at least $10,000 in 90 days of working with us, then you do not pay a penny. We'll immediately return your money, because if we don't make you money, then we don't deserve yours. Now, best of all, this is your asset and you own it. You keep the offer, you keep the audience, you keep the strategies, you keep the content, you keep the funnel, and all of our hard work that we did for you. So instead of having to pay an expensive agency fees each month to grow your business and outsourcing all the work to somebody that you even know if it's good or not, we do it all for 1/10 of the price. And at the same time, we do it so that if you ever stop working together, then your business does not go away, because you still own all the offer and all the assets. Now, how can I make such a crazy driven result promise like this? It's simple. Just look at our track record. We work with entrepreneurs like Russell Brunson, Alex Becker, Lady Boss, Kevin David, Tanner Chittister, Dan Locke, Cole Gordon, Pan June, among hundreds of others. We've helped over 34 clients make multiple millions of dollars or become millionaires, and 293 clients scale to 6 figures and beyond. Now, not only that, but we are literally the only growth agency that actually has done what we're trying to help our clients do. So for instance, my agency, service business, coaching, and course business does millions of dollars a year using the exact same strategies that I'm about to share with you right here. And I personally have created over 8 different million-dollar businesses using the sales scripts that literally takes 37 seconds to create, okay? No other agency owner out there can say that, period, not even close. If that's all you needed to hear and you're like, yo, this sounds awesome, I know how this works, I know other people are using it, and I know there's a ton of money to be made by monetizing my Instagram account in the right way and growing it, and you want to book a call, then go right ahead. There's a button down below, you'll hop on a call and we'll explain how everything works. And there's literally no incentives of us to sell you on this thing, because if it doesn't work, you don't pay. Like I said, we'll just give you your money back. So we're going to tell you straight up front what we think that this can work for you or not. And if we don't think that you're ready, we'll literally just tell you, because this needs to be a win-win for the both of us. Either way, it's good for you to hop on a call, get a customized Instagram game plan for you, and see how this works. So click the button below and you can get more details there to see how it works as well. I'm gonna give you 2 reasons why this could be an amazing opportunity for you and your business. Number 1 is speed of results. So in the past, of course, you had to create your offer and your landing page and the copy for the landing page and the webinar and the VSL and the automations, and then you had to test the ads and you have to create the ads and then you have to edit the content and you have to upload the content and you have to post and you have to do all these things. And this entire process can literally take weeks, if not months, to test, perfect, and grow. And at the end, you didn't know why it didn't work in the first place. A lot of times the success you had was more luck than anything else. But now with us is literally just a science. Because with our 37-second growth ads, our minimum viable funnel, and our Instagram cash campaigns, it is extremely fast to create success. We can literally get your offer, funnel, ads, and content up and running in just a few days. And look, liars can figure, but figures don't lie. And we have measured based on data that if you follow this process, you can launch a 6 and even 7-figure business faster than anybody else, especially your competitors. You can start today, and literally in 7 to 14 days from today, you can have your offer launched, your funnel created, and start generating leads and sales for your business and your Instagram and personal brand growing. And all of this without doing any of the heavy lifting, because it's 100% done for you. And that is the reason why we can guarantee results. So if your funnel doesn't perform, you do not pay. The second reason why this works so well is because this is literally all we do. And it's literally all I have done since 2016 when I started this business. We spend all day, every day launching new businesses, growing personal brands, and monetizing Instagram. And after launching over 500 businesses, you quickly get an idea of what works and what doesn't. And like I said earlier, you're going to have the best copywriter and ad expert on the planet in your corner, helping you launch and scale this thing fast. So you have absolutely every single advantage possible to become our next biggest success story. Okay, so if that sounds interesting to you and you just want to learn more, then click the button below and just book a call. There's also a bunch of case studies and a little bit more information so you can actually see more results of other people that we have implemented this for. So click down below, schedule a call, and we'll explain how this process can work specifically for you. And again, there's a guarantee for this. If this does not work, you do not pay. We'll just give you your money back. And we'll literally have it in writing in a legal binding document where you put our money where our mouth is. So there's literally zero incentive for us to push you to do anything that you don't want to. And more especially that we do not feel 100% for a fact that we can actually help you get results. Meaning if we don't feel like that and we don't feel like it's a good fit, we're not gonna bring you in, because we need to be absolute certain that we can actually help you get to 6 and even 7 figures. And remember, we have worked with the biggest names in the digital marketing industry. People like Russell Brunson, Alex Becker, Lady Boss, Kevin David, Dan Locke, Penn June, Tana Chittister, Cole Gordon, and hundreds of others. And these guys didn't just hire random people. They hired the best of the best. So just know that you are in safe hands with us, because we have helped almost every single big name in the industry achieve amazing results. And on top of that, of course, we have done it ourselves too, because we lead by example. So if you want to find out exactly how this can work for you and your business, click the button down below, book a call to talk with us. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have and create a custom Instagram game plan designed for you. And that's it. So click right there, and I'll see you very shortly.